Hi guys, welcome to this week's episode of MissPlanIt. We are so glad you could join us. So this week we have a request from a community member and her name is Jill and she writes, "Hi MissPlanIt, hi Jill. I stumbled across your channel on YouTube and let me just say, I'm so glad I did, in all caps. I'm DIYing everything for my wedding. My color scheme is burgundy, champagne, and a little bit of blush, not too much. I would love for you to help me. I have wanted this bouquet since before I was even engaged, and I plan to make it happen." Oh, I love that. Any help from you would mean the world to me. Thank you. Oh, P.S. I would really love to change the blush flowers to ivory/white flowers. Well, Jill, this is a beautiful bouquet. When I looked at it, when I first saw it, I thought of just a rose garden. And so it just looks so organic and so free. And I'm so excited to show you how to create this beautiful rose bush bridal bouquet. So what are we waiting for? Let's get started with this week's episode. So our first step is to create our base, and we're going to use a half foam ball, a straight handed bouquet holder, as well as a tulle collar. Now, I'm using my foam cutter to cut a circle out of the center of my foam half ball. It's very, very simple. So I'm going around and then I go across and then I just use a regular kitchen spoon and just scoop it out like you would, say, a melon. Very simple. Take your time. Be sure not to go too deep because you want to make sure you have enough foam to attach the flowers on the center of the bouquet. All right, guys, get to it. Now that we've created a space for our handle, we're going to simply attach it using hot glue. Next, we're going to attach our bouquet collar, also with hot glue. So this bouquet is just a little bit different in that we're going to build it from the center out. So usually we build it from, we kind of attach things from the outside in, but this time we want to make sure that the flowers look as if they're growing or on a vine intertwined with each other. So in order to create that look, we're going to do it by starting from the center and working our way out. I want the orchids to have an appearance as if they're about to bloom. So what I'm doing is I'm pressing it tightly together and I'm really squeezing it in between flowers. So they're still more open, but as you'll see as we add the other flowers around it, we're going to press them against the orchids to make the orchids look as if they're just about to bloom. So up to this point, our stems on our roses have been right at about 3, no more than 4 inches long. For this part, our stems need to be closer to 8 to 10 inches long so that it gives our bouquet an organic, free-flowing feel. So if you wanted to bring more of the white or the pink blush color in, you can do it with these very petite peonies buds. They just add that extra color if you like. Well, Jill, how did we do? It's absolutely stunning. This is going to be a breathtaking addition to your already beautiful walk down that aisle. Well, if you all like this video, by all means like us, subscribe so you can be the first to know when our videos are posted. And if you want an extra special notification, click on that bell and you'll get a special note from us the very moment our videos are live. You can also send us a comment or ask us a question. That's what we're here for. I, MissPlanIt, answer all of our YouTube comments on our YouTube page as well as on the website. So don't forget, if you have a question, hit us up. That's what we're here for. And we love your words of encouragement. We love to hear you just push us to be better and better. In addition to that, if you would like, you could follow us on our social media, and that would be Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, and Pinterest. And if you have not already signed up for your Rakuten, formerly known as Ebates account, I don't know what you're waiting for. The deals are there to be found by you. You just simply go down to the link in the description, click on the link, sign up for your Rakuten account. When you're ready to shop, sign on to your account, find your vendors, make your qualified purchases, and receive a check at the end of the month for your shopping efforts. It's as simple as that. As always, our time goes by so fast. I want to thank you so much for joining us and remind you to head on over to our website, MissPlanIt.com. You can head over there by the link in the description, or right there in the corner, click on that little eye and it'll take you straight there for more DIY project instructions, as well as cost-saving tips and a free resource library. So don't forget to go ahead and spend some more time with us at MissPlanIt by heading on over to our website. We'd love to have you. Well, if you would like to submit your project request, you can do that also on our website. It's a simple little tab. It just says click project request, follow the very simple steps, and send it on over to us, because we would love to help you create the vision that you have for your wedding and save you money. Now, be sure to send your request sooner than later, because our production schedule fills up so fast and I hate telling anyone no. So please do it quickly and don't waste any time on that, okay? In addition to that, we just love to see you just give us comments on our website and just tell us what more we can do to help you create the wedding or event of your dreams. Well, with that being said, guys, it is such a pleasure to hang out with you. Thank you so much for hanging out with us. We know you have so many options on YouTube, and we do not take it lightly that you choose to spend this time with us. So until next time, always remember, when every penny counts, count on MissPlanIt. Please take care of yourself. We'll see you soon. God bless.